Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video, and just like I did with my fashionphile watch list, I am going to be doing the same with Yoogi's Closet. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I am following on Yoogi's Closet. Alright, again, I have my computer and I am going to be doing a screen capture on my Yoogi's Closet homepage. And I will show you, because I know you guys are all nosy and you guys probably don't even care what I have on my watch list, but you know, I'd be really interested to see what you guys have on your watch list. So yeah, let's start a trend and let's start this going. Okay, so let's I'm gonna start recording, but yeah, while I do this, just stay tuned to see what I have on my watch list on Yoogi's Closet. I have 8 items currently in my watch list, and to be honest with you, I have not really what do you call it? I have not really looked at a lot of this stuff, and so since I was thinking about the fashionphile, what's in my watch list there, I figured I'd do the same thing with Yoogi's Closet. And so I spent probably, I don't know, maybe half an hour looking through, you know, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Chanel to see what Yoogi's Closet currently has in their inventory. And I put a few things in my favorites list. And as you can see, the first one is a Louis Vuitton Indigo leather pochette jour pouch in the PM size. So I currently have this in the black leather, which was a LV VIP gift. And it looks like this one is in new condition, and it is currently being sold for $395. And here is a few other pictures. It comes with the box, the tags, which is really nice. And the only thing that, ooh, it's a really pretty blue interior. So I purchased mine, the black version, for I think $200, and so double the price, maybe not. And I know Yoogi's Closet, after a while, they do hold sales and they do have coupons. And so maybe if this one goes on sale and has a coupon, because I really love these. Oh no, wait, I am totally forgetting that this did not work in my Chanel Jumbo, and I usually try to get these flat wallets because there's a flat pocket on the back of my vintage Jumbos and it did not fit in there. So that's why I called it sort of a fail when I tried it out. And so, okay, so I'm not going to get this one, but let's see what's next on my list. It is, do you guys do this? I do this all the time. So I currently own this bag. I mean, not this particular bag, but one just like it. And it is in, so this is in the Fusion, that's the color, in Damier Infini, the Porte Doc Voyage briefcase. So I sometimes look at these resale websites just to see what the bags I currently have in my collection are going for. And ooh, this one has, this is in rough shape. The corners are horrible. Mine is basically in new condition because I've never really used, I never used it. And so this one has a luggage tag as well, which is really nice. Has all the paperwork, all the tags, but I don't see the keys. I don't see keys or a lock. Oh, well, there's the lock, but where are the keys? Let's see the details. It says, okay, so it does say that it does have 2 keys, but look, it says like new. How are they going to say that this is like new when the corner looks just like that? I call that foul for them to consider this as like new, because that is not like new. But anyways, okay, so I'm not gonna, you know, purchase this one because I already have one. I just wanted to see what, you know, similar bags or the same exact bag as ones in my collection are going for. And this is $12.95. I forget the retail price of this, but I think it was probably in the close to $3,000 range. Alright, next up on my list is a Louis Vuitton. This is a limited edition damier canvas race, and this is the in the Toiletry pouch 26. $7.95. I don't think that's a bad price. And I think Mr. Jan, he has one of these. But look, it comes with the tags. And what is the condition of this guy? It's in like new condition. And it's a really cute bag. Let's see, so the inside is, it looks like in the man-made or Alcantara, yeah, so it has the Alcantara lining. You can see it says right here. And so this is not a toiletry pouch. It's more of a pochette pochette voyage. The pochette voyage. It's more like the pochette voyage like I have in the monogram split, where the inside is not for toiletries. It's mainly used for a clutch. But yeah, this is really cute. Don't know if I'll... Ooh. No. So there is... Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is not like new as well. There is... Yeah, there is a corner that is not cool. That is not cool. That is not like new. So yeah, this is not on my list. As you can see, I didn't really look through these when I was putting things in my watch list. Okay, so this watch I actually used to own, and so I did sell this watch to Yoogi's Closet, and they did give me the better price of them and Fashionphile, and that's why I did sell it to them. I did get an outright price for it. I did not decide to wait, and good thing I did not wait, because this has been here for a while now. I sold this to them, I want to say early last year, and they have not budged on the price of this. So the retail price is about $4,500, and they're asking about $3,000, and they actually paid me, I think it was $1,800. And so they're making, if they sell it, a little over $1,000. And this is really nice because it has the Anna Digi feature of this watch. And I currently have another one of these watches, the same exact one. I know I'm really weird that way. But some things, especially electronics, if I really love them, I, get multiples, just because if the one that I'm using ends up, breaks or whatnot, then I have a backup. But I did decide to sell the main one that I was using to Yoogi's Closet, and now I have the backup, which I don't even really use because I love my smartwatch. And currently on my wish list is a Louis Vuitton smartwatch. Okay, so, and I just, have this in my watch list because I just like to see if they had sold it already or whatever. Okay, so that is another item. Okay, so the next item that I have on my list is a Louis Vuitton limited edition Suede Innsbruck Cabas bag. And this is really, really nice. I know there is a red version of this bag, and I'd probably prefer, if I were to choose between this one and the red version. There's also, I think, the blue version. I'd get either the blue or the red. I'm not a really big fan of this colorway, but it is still a very nice bag. Let's see, so their retail price was about $23.70, and they had it originally for sale for over retail, which was $2,400, and now they have it on sale for 34% off, and now it's $15.75. And so this came out, let's see, in 2006. And what are the details? Gently used, okay. And here it looks like the corners are pretty nice. So there's a little scratch on there, but at least it's still intact, unlike that other. Ooh, that one's a little rough, but you could probably even, if I were to have sold this, I would have probably just used Sharpie or something on that to cover up that lighter color leather coming out there. But yeah, I think this is a really cute bag. I'm just not a big fan of the colorway. Okay, so next up I have and I'm really unsure how to pronounce this item's name. It is an Hermes piece, and is orange Epsom. Again, Epsom is my favorite leather from Hermes. And I think this is called the Yoogi or Yoogi. I'm not really sure, but it's a clutch. And I actually had one of these before. I never did a reveal on it because it did turn out to be fake. I did buy it on eBay, and yeah, back then, I mean, still right now, I'm not really into Hermes, and so I didn't know what was fake and not, but it did turn out to be fake, and so I did return it. But yeah, this just does not hold a lot of stuff, and so if you want something to hold stuff, do not get this piece. But I just think this is a very nice little clutch to wear on an evening out. Alright, I think I have 2 more items. Okay, so this one is a boy bag. It's a small version, and my battery light is blinking, so I have to hurry up. And I thought this would be cool because it has a detachable strap, you can see. And if I wanted to use this, see the size, I could probably use it like a clutch without the strap. And the strap is leather, which is really nice. But yeah, for $3,500, I don't know. So the retail price is $4,300, and it's $3,500. And does it come with the authenticity card? Is missing? Damn it. So yeah, that is definitely an out. And the last one is a Chanel, and this is actually hand painted, which is really cool. And it comes in the So Black colorway, which is also really cool. Alright, but yeah, so this, and this one also does not come with the card. It has a so my battery died and I had to replace it, but I am still recording on my computer, so hopefully whatever I recorded before is still on my memory card, but we'll see. But so this last item is this hand-painted medium double flap from Chanel. And if I were to get a classic double flap, it'd probably be something like this, where it's not in the black caviar leather or anything like that. I just think this is unique, and I know that, look, this retailed for $8,000 and it is currently being offered for $3,400, and so that is less than, well, it says right there, it's 50% off. But this bag, if only it had the damn authenticity card. I know a lot of people don't care about the authenticity card, but I'm one of those people that do, because I don't see, I mean, if it's in my forever collection, which there's not very many pieces that I would consider in my favorites forever, you know, it just makes resale a lot harder. And so that's the main reason why I would not get a piece that does not have the authenticity card. But let's stop it there, because this is a long video and it takes forever to export these videos, and that's why I'll do my eBay video some other day, because it just takes too long. Anyway, so that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you really liked it, I will do more. And hopefully more people out there will, you know, continue suit. And because I'm really interested in what you guys are looking at also on, you know, these resale websites and what's in your, you know, watch list. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, just remember, be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.